Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 5.4 and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable it is. So I'm going to lock the device and I'm going to put the finger right here for a few times. So let's make it. So as you can see, it works every time, but to be honest, it's not that fast. Like for example in Huawei P40 Lite. In P40 Lite, when you put your finger on the sensor, it just unlocks immediately, and here we got something like 1 second or half second after put the finger on the sensor. But for sure it's reliable and it's worked not that bad, so for sure I can recommend you to use this unlock method. But if you are thinking about the best phone with the fingerprint sensor, it's not that one, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.